If you have low space on Windows partition, I'm going to show you how to clear out junk files. First, you can write on search disk cleanup. This is the first tool we are going to use. Select the driver and let's see the junk files. Here you will see different types of files that you can delete. Just select what you wish to delete and press OK. I usually also clear my system files. So click on Clean up system files. Here will be added also stuff like update files and other system files. I never use this, so I actually delete them. But if you need a backup for your system, please be very careful what you delete. Another good way to clear junk files are to clean up your recycle bin. You can do this real easy with a right click on the icon. But the thing that most of you do not know is that you can also adjust how much storage the recycle bin uses. Right click on recycle bin and go to the properties. Here you can set up how much space you use for recycle bin. Do not put a low value, as if you will delete bigger files that will get permanently deleted without going to recycle bin. Just change the size and press OK. So these are my ways of deleting junk files on the PC. Thank you for watching and please thumbs up, share and subscribe. Bye bye!